You hear footsteps on gravel, you see a gun, you hear a bang, a body falls, the police arrive. Now your friend walks in and asks you what you've been watching. It takes you a few seconds to come back to reality. That's narrative transportation. I study the causes, effects, structures and functions of stories. Stories are everywhere. Books, movies, TV series and social media, including consumer reviews. Now consumer reviews actually affect 69% of consumer decisions. If you're able to recognize the elements in a story, you as a consumer can actually counteract the influence of transportation on your beliefs and on your decisions. Together with my colleagues from the United States, the Netherlands and Australia, I collected all the TripAdvisor reviews of the most popular tourist destination in the world, Las Vegas. This led to a big data set of almost 200,000 reviews that we used to build an algorithm to show that storytelling elements predict the helpfulness of these reviews. You got the characters and their thoughts and feelings. You got the plot, where and when does it all happen. And you got the emotional shape. Where the climax is makes a huge difference. We found that at the beginning is the most engaging spot for it. It's the same as with a murder mystery on TV. With the police procedural, the murder happens at the very beginning. It has to open with a bang. If it were to happen at the end, nobody would watch. It's the same with reviews online. Take for example a review of Graceland Wedding Chapel. On our wedding night, there we were waiting for the limo. An hour after our wedding was to have started, still no driver. By then I was so upset I did not get married at Graceland Chapel. Our chapel reservation had expired. Now if you move that third sentence, I was so upset I did not get married at Graceland Chapel, to the beginning, the review has a much greater impact. Altogether, these narrative elements can change the way people are influenced. A little bit of media literacy can go a long way. You can decide whether what happens in Vegas, stays on TripAdvisor, or changes your next trip.